years ago, a friend of mine asked me to say some MC rhyme. So I said this rhyme I'm about to say. The rhyme was there, but then it went this way. Took a test to become an MC, and Orange Cliff became amazed at me. So Larry put me inside, he strapped to lack. The chauffeur drove off and we never came back. Dave cut the record down to the bone, and now they got me rocking on the microphone. And then we're talking autographs and tears and laughs, champagne, caviar, and bubble bath. You see, that's the life that I lead, and you sucker MCs is who I feed. So take that and move back, catch a heart attack, because there's nothing in the world that run no level like a cold chill at a party in the b-boy stand, and rock on the mic and make the girls wanna dance. Fly like a dove and come from up above. I'm rocking on the mic and you can call me Run Love. I got a big long caddy, not like a Seville, and written right on the side and reads just to kill. So if you see me cruising, girl, just to move a step aside. There ain't enough room to fit you all in my ride. So a first come, first serve basis, cooling out, girl, take you to the death places. One of a kind, and for your people's delight, and for your sucker MCs that just ain't right, because you're biting on your life, you're cheating on your wife, you're walking around town like a hooligan with a knife, you're hanging on the ass and chilling with the crew, and everybody knows what you've been through. Oh, with the 1, 2, 3, 3 to 2, 1. My man Larry Ladd, my name DJ Run. We do it in the place with the highs and the bass. I'm rocking to the rhythm, want to watch it on my face. Go uptown and come down to the ground. You sucker MC, you sad face clown. You're $5 boy and I'm $1 million man. You's a sucker MC and you're my fan. You try to bite mine, but rhymes are mine. You the sucker MC in a bad Calvin Klein, coming from the wackest part of town. Trying to rap, but you can't get down. You don't even know your English, you're verb now. You're just a sucker